Hello, and welcome to Ling Orbit. Learn new words every day and broaden your horizons. Ready? Let's begin!
The alarm goes off at 6:30 a.m. The alarm goes off at 6:30 a.m. I turn off the alarm. I turn off the alarm. I open my eyes. I open my eyes. I take a deep breath. I take a deep breath. I stretch my arms and legs. I stretch my arms and legs. I sit up on the bed. I sit up on the bed. I put my feet on the floor. I put my feet on the floor. I get out of bed. I get out of bed. I open the curtains. I open the curtains. The sunlight comes into the room. The sunlight comes into the room. I say, "Good morning," to myself. I say, "Good morning," to myself. I make my bed. I make my bed. I go to the bathroom. I go to the bathroom. I turn on the tap. I turn on the tap. I wash my face with cold water. I wash my face with cold water. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I look in the mirror. I look in the mirror. I smile at myself in the mirror. I smile at myself in the mirror. I comb my hair. I comb my hair. I dry my face with a towel. I dry my face with a towel. I go back to my room. I go back to my room. I pick out my clothes for the day. I pick out my clothes for the day. I get dressed. I get dressed. I put on my socks. I put on my socks. I put on my shoes. I put on my shoes. I go to the kitchen. I go to the kitchen. I make a cup of coffee. I make a cup of coffee. I boil water for tea. I boil water for tea. I prepare breakfast. I prepare breakfast. I toast some bread. I toast some bread. I fry an egg. I fry an egg. I eat my breakfast. I eat my breakfast. I drink a glass of orange juice. I drink a glass of orange juice. I read the news on my phone. I read the news on my phone. I check my messages. I check my messages. I watch the morning news on TV. I watch the morning news on TV. I talk to my family. I talk to my family. I say good morning to my family. I say good morning to my family. I feed the cat a dog. I feed the cat a dog. I clean up the dishes. I clean up the dishes. I go back to my room. I go back to my room. I pack my bag. I pack my bag. I put my books in my bag. I put my books in my bag. I pack my lunch. I pack my lunch. I check the time. I check the time. I put on my jacket. I put on my jacket. I grab my keys. I grab my keys. I put on my backpack. I put on my backpack. I say goodbye to my family. I say goodbye to my family. I leave the house. I leave the house. I walk to the bus stop. I walk to the bus stop. I wait for the bus. I wait for the bus. The bus arrives. The bus arrives. I get on the bus. I get on the bus. I say hello to the driver. I say hello to the driver. I find a seat. I find a seat. I look out the window. I look out the window. I listen to music. I listen to music. I get off the bus at my stop. I get off the bus at my stop. I walk to my office at school. I walk to my office at school. I enter the building. I enter the building. I greet my colleagues, classmates. I greet my colleagues, classmates. I turn on my computer. I turn on my computer. I start my works to study. I start my works to study. It's a great morning. It's a great morning. I feel ready for the day. I feel ready for the day. I take a sip of my coffee. I take a sip of my coffee. I organize my desk. I organize my desk. I plan my day. I plan my day. I smile and say, "Let's have a good day." I smile and say, "Let's have a good day."
We've reached the end of our orbit for today. Hope you found this LingOrbit lesson helpful on your journey to learning English. Stay tuned for more words, phrases, and fun content in our upcoming videos. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss our next adventure. See you on the next planet.